Hey everybody, check this out. This is your standard antenna circuit that we've seen just some mediocre results from, up to a volt. Picofarad capacitors. And this here is a slight adaptation, which is this schematic here. And as you see, we have our antenna coming in here, which is this yellow wire going out the window. And the poles here, this negative and positive, are these two terminals right here going through the knife switch and to this LED. As we see with our voltmeter, that's an interesting note about these voltmeters, is they actually have a parasitic draw on your voltage that you're collecting. So if you got a voltmeter sitting on your radiant circuit, it's not going to read right because you're just going to continuously see a draw on it. So what we see is when we touch it on there, you start to see the voltage that's accumulating here, 2.5 volts, but it's slowly dropping because that voltmeter is actually sucking it out of there. So if you take it off and just tap it and wait for it, you'll see it. Let me give it a second here. It stays where it's at. It only draws when you actually use it. So it's actually putting some kind of load on it. However, I'll give this a second here to show you. This is our standard radiant receiver circuit. Now, normally we have to turn the lights off to see something like this because this LED just barely flickers, but what we're looking at here now is when I close this switch. Oh, did it pick it up? Oh, I must have killed it. Hold on a sec. Okay, we dimmed the lights a little. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and close the switch and show you what happens. See that big flash there? Takes a few seconds for it to build back up enough charge, about 10 seconds, and it'll flicker again. I'll give it a second here. Oh, there it was. I'm not making contact very well here. Cheap junk. Radio Shack. Yeah. So, there you have it. These capacitors are being charged through this radiant air receiver circuit from the aerial antenna. Except for one problem. As soon as I find my pen, I'll show you. Alright. This is not this. This is this. Look at that. This is my ground rod. You all remember from, I don't know, you can't see it in the dark out there. Well, maybe you can. There it is. You just barely see him right there. That's the ground rod out there, about 6 feet in the ground. Earth rod. Making that voltage. It's giving us this difference of potential to charge these capacitors. But wait, it's grounded to earth, and it's picking up. Is it picking up radio waves? We put the voltmeter on here so you can see. We will unhook it, and voltage, well, let me take this off. You see voltage is about 1.7. I'm going to tap it again here. 1.6. It's not rising any like it was before. It was up to 2.5 volts. So now I'm going to hook it back up, and we're going to pulse it. And we're looking at, get it built up for a minute. 1.7. Slowly building back up. Pretty neat, huh? I need a better switch. No antenna needed. Electrons are coming in this way. Oh, how about that?